Sony wants PS5 software beta testers for new highlights coming not long from now. In the event that you'd prefer to try out new PlayStation 5 highlights before they go live for everybody, here's your possibility. Sony is opening a beta program for PS5 framework programming, with the end goal of testing what is obviously a significant update for the near future. Perhaps we'll have the option to extend the SSD. Sony will uncover more insights regarding approaching highlights in the following not many weeks. Information exchanges are restricted to PS5 proprietors in the US, UK, Canada, Japan, Germany and France, and you should be more than 18 to participate. In case you're chosen, you'll get an email with data on the most proficient method to download the beta firmware. Microsoft has been running the Xbox Insider program for quite a long time, and even Sony has tapped on its clients to beta test patches on the PS4. Notwithstanding, this appears to be greater. Sony may require every one of the analyzers it can gather. PS5 is in its beginning phases, and it can in any case be hard to track down stock.